In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide in Google Sheets with ease. Google Sheets is a powerful tool that allows us to perform a wide variety of calculations, and this tutorial focuses on a fundamental function, division. Together, we'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can seamlessly divide numbers and make your spreadsheet work for you. To begin, open up Google Sheets. If you don't have a Google Sheets document ready, you can create a new one by navigating to the Google Sheets homepage and clicking on the plus icon for a new blank spreadsheet. Once your Google Sheets document is open, you'll see a grid of cells awaiting your input. Each of these little rectangles is a cell, and they're organized into columns labeled by letters and rows by numbers. Now, let's go to cell C2. In your spreadsheet, find column C, which is the third column from the left, and move down to row 2. That's our target cell today. You can simply click on this cell to select it. When a cell is selected, you'll notice a blue border around it, indicating that it's ready to receive your instructions. Next, we'll input the formula. In cell C2, type the following formula, equals sign A2/B2. It should look like this, as A2B2. What this formula does is quite straightforward. It divides the value in cell A2 by the value in cell B2. The equals sign tells Google Sheets that what follows is a formula and not just plain text, while the /, commonly known as a division symbol, is used to divide one number by another. After typing the formula, press Enter. Google Sheets will display the result of the division right there in cell C2. If A2 contains, say, the number 10, and B2 contains the number 2, C2 will now show the number 5, representing the result of dividing 10 by 2. You can drag the formula down to fill more cells. Click on the small blue square at the lower right corner of cell C2 and drag it down if you want the division to apply to more numbers in columns A and B. This action auto-fills the formula across the cells, allowing you to effortlessly carry out multiple divisions at once. And there you have it. You've successfully used Google Sheets to perform division between two numbers using a simple formula. Integrating this basic function into your workflow can make data handling more intuitive and efficient. Remember, the key to mastering Google Sheets is consistent practice. Explore and play around with formulas to unlock the full potential of your data analysis capabilities. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial insightful.